Hey guys, Jeremy here from Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used, and Rig Ready Approved. Here behind me I have a 2026 Ram 2500 Warlock. I'm here to take you guys on a quick walk around video of this beast here. So this one is the Night Edition and it has the Rebel look on it. So basically, Warlock's kind of like the base model of the Rebels. Same look, just a little bit more affordable pricing and just, less options if you don't care about all those fancy features. Take a look inside here. Bench seat, extra seat. Always awesome to have, just like that for, I don't know if you have a lot of coworkers, family, whatever it is. Crew cab as well, as we can see here, plenty of space in the back. I'm the get-in guy, you gotta get in the back. See, look at seats all the way back and I still fit, and headspace too, which is clutch. Go over to the back here. Short box with the fifth wheel prep. Boom. Check that out. Decals, beautiful. This one's also a ceramic gray as well. Really cool color. Take a look inside here. This one has the small screen with the buttons and the dials here. Column shift, call, cruise control, adaptive cruise control, always nice. And then, everything else is basically standard on it. And yeah, so if you would like some more information, you can visit us here in store in Redwater or give us a call, 780-942-3629.